Hello, my name's Ariel. I'm here doing a fucking hotel story. I work at a hotel. I've tried to do this story like 4 times. First time I fucking wasn't recording. Second time I had a guest come in. So, I'm tired of fucking telling this story. For real. No joke. Thinking about not doing it. But it was the most recent, it's the most fresh on my mind. So, 2 guys check in. They met each other the day before. They were homeless. They decided they were going in the same direction. We're going to help each other out. So, the gentleman who checks in, we're going to call him Florida Man because that's where he was from and that's how he acts. The other gentleman was from New York, and I hear some commotion, some noise. And it's not yelling, it's not screaming, it's just loud talking, if I had to describe it in any way. Anyways, so the loud talking gets my attention. I'm like, what's going on out here? And I walk out, and old dude is walking around, New York dude, going, he took my ID. And I was like, well, that's reason to call the cops. You should probably call the cops. So little did I know, New York man is already on the phone with the cops. And they pull up. New York dude is like, well, maybe, I'm going to go outside, talk to them. And that's when I realized that New York man is covered in blood. And I was like, whoa, no. What happened? And he goes, well, he jumped on me and told me that I took his ID and he was trying to strangle me. He was trying to kill me. And so I was like, don't go outside. You need to stay inside. It's not safe for you out there. He's out there. So needless to say, Florida man goes to jail for doing Florida man shit. And New York guy, the police come and they talk to him, and the police are like, oh, can I see your ID? And he's like, yeah. And they look at it, and they're like, oh, New York, huh? What are you doing down here? And he was like, oh, I'm just going to pass through, and then I'm going to Mexico. And he didn't want to go to the hospital, but the police were like, nah, man, we can see the capillaries in your eyes are busted. If you need to go to the hospital. You got blood coming out of your nose. You need to go. And so he goes. They put him in an ambulance. Florida man goes to jail. He goes to the hospital. And I go home at 7 a.m. I get back at 3 p.m. because I'm doing a double. And about 6 o'clock, the Popo show back up. And the Popo are like, oh, did you tow Florida man's car? And I was like, no, I thought you guys did because I didn't see it. So we look at the cameras. And Mr. New York went out of the room, went to the car like he owned it, and drove off at 11 in the morning. So, remind you, the police are here at 6 o'clock. So that was 7 hours ago. And the man told Popo last night that he was heading to Mexico. So, needless to say, I'm pretty sure he was not still in the state once the Popo even fucking caught up with us. Alright. Here's the takeaway from this story. True story. Dude helped a homeless man, attacked a homeless man, went to jail, left his keys in the room with the guy he attacked, and then his car got stolen. When the police ask you if there's anything important you want to take with you to jail, phone, keys. Always take your phone and your keys. If you've got a car, take your fucking keys. And don't fucking be helping people you don't fucking know. Unless it's like, oh, here, take $5. Like, that's different. But don't, like, invite them into your space. Anyways, that's the moral of the story. I really hope old dude got his car back. Hopefully they stopped him at the Mexican border. But I don't know. Never got an update on that one. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Bye.